I think the valuations of OpenAI, they take an even longer horizon. I think they're also doing other stuff like now buying hardware, etc., like data centers themselves and making even chips themselves and stuff like that. That is maybe ultimately still going to justify their valuation. I don't know, but I mean, I think that to zoom in on the legal AI tools, definitely less crazy. I fully believe so. Why? Because I see them grow. All of them grow every day and every week. And there is still a lot of markets out there and a lot of law firms out there who do not have licenses still. So their growth is there. Yes, I think consolidation is a logical next step. Not all of them will be successful, but in AI you do see like a winner takes all type of situation typically, where I think there would be room for 3 or 4 bigger winners, and maybe even local winners too, or European winner. I do believe all these people that I know of are on paper billionaires, but will be in reality billionaires. So I just believe that, and good for them. I think that indeed consolidation one thing, but the other thing will be interesting is like, will they actually start to compete with their customers, right? So will they buy or merge with firms? I think it's tricky in this part of their growth phase to do that, because then you're directly competing with your customers. But I can imagine something like that happening, but more likely exit to publishers or something like that, like the huge one could also be the case. Or that's the other option, the foundation models themselves, foundation model providers themselves, right? Because OpenAI and Microsoft and you name them, they also have these tools in the making that seem to be targeting various verticals. Like OpenAI is already rumored to have some sort of contract analytics tool. They made it internally. The question is, will they put it out externally? They also have an investment into Harvey, which is known. So the question is, will they do that? They can, if they would want to, they could. So I also think there's still there are options there for vertical integration, I would say. Because why bother making all that stuff and having all the clients while you can immediately do the integration like that? Yeah, in short, a lot of the tools, like the smaller ones maybe, will be struggling, but every local market will have a winner, and from the bigger ones will also still be able to justify their valuations for.
Very interesting. Very interesting.